Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Motorists will pay less at the pumps for 87 and 90 gasoline, but they'll have to pay more for all other categories of fuel. $2.45 will be shaved off a liter of 87 gasoline, while 90 gasoline will decline by $2.31. Automotive diesel will, however, sell for 87 cents more. The price of ultra-low sulfur diesel will gain 91 cents. Kerosene will cost $1.97 more. Propane will increase by $3.06, and butane will cost $2.22 more. Meanwhile, on the global market, oil prices settled higher today after U.S. crude stocks fell to their lowest levels in 3 years as refining activity recovered from recent storms. Despite recent wobbles from U.S. economic figures, overall demand for fuel has rebounded to pre-COVID-19 pandemic levels. Brent crude futures for late November delivery settled up by $1.83, closing at $76.19 a barrel. Now back home, Educom Cooperative Credit Union today opened its offer of 250 million deferred shares. At a press briefing today, CEO of Educom Elvis King shared the details of the offer, which is scheduled to run until November 10. Now, the capital injection will allow the credit union to offer new online services such as fund transfers, bill payment, loan applications, and new account applications. The deferred shares will provide a return of 6.5%. Now, there is no plan to upsize the offer, and the facility will mature in 2026. Money Masters Limited is the lead broker on the transaction. Meanwhile, First Rock Private Equity has entered into an agreement with Bahamas-based manufacturing and distribution company My Ocean Limited to purchase 26% of its issued share capital for an undisclosed sum. Managing Director of First Rock Private Equity, Chris Young, says the deal allows the company to enter the real and value-added sector and diversify its private equity portfolio. The My Ocean deal is subject to regulatory authority and other approvals in the Bahamas. It is scheduled to be completed by the fourth quarter of this year. This is First Rock Private Equity's second acquisition for the 2021 fiscal year. Following the purchase of a 75% stake in Dollar Financial Services. The US dollar continues its downward run, selling for an average $148.51. The Canadian currency is trading at $117.47. $204.50 is the going rate for the pound, and $176.84 for the euro. And the JSE Index lost 1,499 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 67 points. Today's advances include SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, T-Tech Limited, G-West Corporation Ordinary Shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and The Lab. While on the losing side today were Express Catering, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Access Financial Services, and Palace Amusement. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news right after the break.